What else could cause a clicking noise besides the CV axle? If you have been hearing a clicking noise while driving your truck or 18-wheeler, you might be wondering what else could be causing it besides the constant velocity axle. While the constant velocity axle is a common culprit, there are several other factors to consider. First, let's talk about damaged axles. If your truck has hit a pothole or a curb hard, it could bend the axle. A bent axle can lead to uneven wear on other parts, resulting in that annoying clicking sound. This is especially true for trucks and 18-wheelers, which carry a lot of weight and stress on their axles. Next up, we have loose or worn wheel bearings. These small components are essential for allowing your wheels to rotate smoothly. When they wear out or become loose, they can create a clicking or popping noise, particularly when you make turns. This issue can also lead to uneven tire wear, which affects your truck's performance. Another possible source of that clicking noise could be faulty steering components. Parts like tie rod ends are crucial for steering your vehicle. If they are loose or damaged, they can create a clicking sound during turns. Given the heavy loads that trucks carry, keeping these components in good shape is essential for both safety and performance. Sometimes, the noise might not even be from the truck's mechanical parts. Debris like rocks or sticks can get lodged in the wheels or axles, causing unusual sounds. This is more common in off-road or construction environments where trucks encounter rough terrain. Lastly, consider the sway bar links. If these links are broken or loose, they can produce various noises, including clicking sounds when turning. These links help stabilize your vehicle, so it is important to address any issues with them. In the context of truck performance upgrades, addressing these potential problems is vital. Regular maintenance checks can help you catch these issues early, preventing more serious damage to your truck's drivetrain and steering system. Keeping your truck in top shape not only improves performance but also ensures a safer driving experience.